guys, me Mi802. Today, we got our hands finally on the Mi8 SE after we already unboxed the Mi8. So the last one we're going to unbox probably later, July, will be the Mi8 Explorer Edition. So this is a traditional white box by Xiaomi. Unlike the Mi8, it's sporting a black box. Okay, so let's get ahead and open this thing up. Okay, so the Mi8 SE is sporting a white box. Okay, so you can see the 8 logo here. So yeah, Xiaomi did skip Mi7 this year in celebration of the 8th anniversary of the company. Okay, so you can see upon opening we saw a motto of Xiaomi here, which says that always believe that something good is about to happen. Okay. Basically we have the user manual in here. Okay, the audio jack, of course, minus the adapter. Of course, we no longer have the 3.5mm audio jack and the SIM ejector pin. And as always, Xiaomi includes a protection case this time for the Mi8 SE. So now we have the Mi8 itself, SE edition. So I have the quick charge right here. Okay, plus the USB-C adapter, the USB-C charging cable as well. Okay, so putting everything aside, we have the Mi8 SE here. So it's running MIUI 9.5. Okay. So, okay, let me go ahead and have the honor of peeling off this film for the first time, and there it goes. Okay, so crystal clear, and it's not sporting AMOLED like the Mi8 sibling, but it's pretty good as well. Okay, so the Snapdragon 710 is the first phone sporting this SoC in the market, so another first for Xiaomi after the Snapdragon 636 by the Mi Note 5, Redmi Note 5 of course. So okay, let's check the specs. Okay, we have the 64 storage and 4 gig RAM on this unit. Okay, so let's check the CIP. Okay, so we have Sony IMX363 20 megapixel at the back, together with the supporting Samsung S5K rather. Then the front is also a Samsung S5K, which both have the AI by Xiaomi. Okay. Okay, so taking a quick look at the other important things. So we did capture some good shots here with AI turned off and AI turned on. So just stay tuned for my review on it. Okay, taking good shots. Let's see the result we got from Antutu a while ago, which is 170,000 points for the Mi8 SE, which is pretty not bad for this unit. Okay, so let's take a good look at the dimensions of the phone. Of course, there's the notch here. Okay, can't really deny that Xiaomi has deployed the iPhone X-like design. Okay, so turning to the sides, we have the SIM ejector tray here. At the bottom we have the USB-C, mic in, and of course the loudspeaker. On the right side we have the power button and the volume rocker. Okay, at the top the one thing we missed from the Mi8 is the IR blaster, and of course the noise cancellation mic is on top.
So let's take a good look at the back. We have the dual cameras at the back, which is the back is pretty glass-like finish. Okay, probably this glass finish, which is very similar to the Mi 4S. If you can recall, here is the the fingerprint scanner. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this thing off again. Okay, mirror-like finish. It's looking pretty cool here. Okay, so basically this is it for me, and just stay tuned for my other the review of the cameras and other things that you would like to know. Okay, and it's me, Mi8 SE signing off.